Today I'm going to speak about my friend Deepthi, and the day she came in this college, I really liked her because she helped me a lot, and the day when she came, she was literally lack of confidence, but now I can see her, she's doing well. She is bad at communication, but I hope she will do better one day, and she will, I know. So I like that thing about her, and she has a good knowledge of medical. So that's it. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. I am Sri. Today we have got an interesting topic in our class. We all have to tell something good about our friends, our fellows. So I'm gonna tell you about Bipna. Bipna is a creative person. She is good at art. Apart from her hospitality, she could try art as a career. That.
A very good morning to all of you. My name is Piyush Kumar Srivastu. I belong to Kushinagar, Uttar Pradesh, and now I'm pursuing BBA in Diploma in Hotel Management from Living Management Academy Lucknow. My positive thing about APAR. Now, when I come to institute, my first friend APAR, and he is very humble person, and he dedicated to achieve goals. And
Pleasant morning to everyone. My name is Sahil, and today we got an activity to tell one attribute or trait of one of my friends. So I'm gonna speak about Arthat Malaysia. I like everything he do to entertain our class. His way of talking, his way of cursing someone in a Bhojpuri. And after all, he is an entertainer of class. So really thank you for making us laugh.
Good morning and namaste and very Dinsu, and myself is Vipna Thapa, and I am from Northern Maharajganj, Uttar Pradesh, and I am currently pursuing diploma in hotel management from Living Management. So I am talking about moderation in a positive way. Moderation is a very clear, Mojit is a very great person and he is very helpful in my language in English, and he is so very funny. And so yes, thank you.
Good morning, sir and ma'am. My name is Gulam Hussain. I am tell about my friend Abhishek. Abhishek is a empathetic person. I have seen make the food, and this is last month.
He gets food
He gets food
for his.
on his.
Good morning everybody. Assalamu alaikum. I will tell about Sahil. Sahil is a very supportive boy. Last presentation is my very helpful in accounting. Thanks.
Very good morning to all of you. Today is our communication exercise, and our teacher told us to tell about our classmates, and I am going to tell you about Abhijit. Abhijit is a very helpful person, supportive and grateful. He is jack of all trade. He can do much better in more subjects like accounts. He have also knowledge of IT field like computer operating and many things. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. Today I will tell about Astosh Mishra. He is very pure in heart, and he thinks well of everyone.
Good morning all of you. My name is Tawhid Raza, and the positive trait of Gulam, the voice of Gulam is a very nice and marvelous.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Aditya Kumar, and I have completed my 12 in 2021 from India. Now and days I am pursuing diploma from Living Management Academy in Lucknow. So today I am going to tell you about some positive things about Arthra. I have seen since 8 months he was very weak, but nowadays he has improved a lot of things and he improved ourselves, and I think he will go in a future very successfully. Thank you.